Hi Stampers, happy Card Sketch Transformation Day. We are on card sketch number 436. What a cute card. It's a summary card, but remember the card sketch is for you to get your inspiration going. I'm also going to challenge you for this Make It on Monday card. We're going to challenge you to make the card right along with me, and then Tuesday send it out to somebody that you care about or thinking about, or you just want to reach out, or you just want to send some happy mail, right? So this is a great way to follow along, make the card with me, and then send it out on Tuesday. So let's go ahead and flip it over and get started. All right, so we have the card sketch printable, which is available over on my Facebook subscriber page. You guys get it always a day early, remember that. So Sunday about 12:45, my Facebook subscribers get that. The printable will be available between Monday and Wednesday over on my blog for my Wednesday Live in the Glitter Pits project, and then the card sketch for this week. So here's the card up close. Isn't it fun and so festive? This is a really cute, summery, bright, cheerful card. Fun in the sun. We're going to do that omitting technique that I'm kind of addicted to. But this is my twist on this week's card sketch. Remember, I have a Show It Off on Saturday post on my Facebook page, and anybody can post over there in the comments. So I would love for you to share your card sketch. When you make this card sketch, post it over there. I really want to see your twist on the card sketch number 436. And then here's the template. Very simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We got our pieces here. I'm using basic black for my base of my card. And I'm using the brand new Summer Happiness. Let me show you this stamp set. This stamp set is so adorable with the Summer Splash bundle, but this one's totally different. Look, so you got bigger glasses, bigger flip-flops. It's so cute. But you got pineapples, cherries, refreshment, like a little fresh fruit water. We're going to use these cute little flowers today. And then the greeting is right here, Fun in the Sun, and it's a square kind of a greeting, and it's a little bit larger, and we're going to divide this up to make it long and horizontal. So this is in the new online exclusives for July. All right, so your basic black cardstock is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, and we're going to burnish that really nice. Then I'm going to use this Azure Afternoon. This piece is cut at 3 by 5 1/2. And then the Lemon Lime Twist is cut at 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. And then the Strawberry Slush is cut at 1 1/2 by 4. And then I have the Circle, which is from the Stylish Shapes. This is approximately 2 1/2 or 2 5/8 circle from the Stylish Shapes. Then since we're using a black base to my card today, I'm going to use the basic white piece for the inside, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of basic white for stamping the Fun in the Sun, and then these are all my pieces. Look how much bigger these flip-flops are. Got to make sure I'm doing them on the right side. So there is a left and a right foot, and then these cute flowers. Aren't they cute? They're a nice size. And when you die cut them out, it die cuts out the circle in the center. So what I did is I ran it through again with the Lemon Lime Twist, kind of keeping in the same color scheme. And then I cut out the circles with the Lemon Lime Twist flower. And I'm going to pop those up in the inside of my flower. And then the yellow is more of a splash of color because you can see I don't have any yellow on the card. So this is just a splash of the daffodil. And then these are the flip-flop pieces. And then look at these glasses. These are so much bigger as well. These are kind of like cat glasses. Hopefully that makes sense. Look how the glasses just like come together on the ends. Aren't they cute? So let's go ahead and put our pieces together, and then we'll build all our little embellishments and of course do our stamping. So let's go ahead and put our Azure Afternoon piece on. Put this right, let me make sure the card's opening right. We're going to put this right down the center of the base of the card. just like that. Then this piece of the lemon lime twist, we're going to add the adhesive, the liquid glue to that too. This is going to go in the center. It's just a little bit bigger than the Azure Afternoon piece. And then the Summer Splash, we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. So be thinking of who you want to send your card to this week. It's so exciting. We can make people smile just by sending them a card. You know what I mean? It just really can change somebody's day in a good way. And then this is going to go right in the center of the lemon lime twist. And then my circle here, this is the, I think it's 2.5, 2 5/8. And then we're going to put this on dimensionals as well. But I'm going to put a dimensional at the top and the bottom, kind of straddling this 1.5 inch piece here. That's going to go right in the center. And then let's go ahead and stamp our Fun in the Sun. I'm going to actually grab a piece of color cardstock so I can see right where I'm stamping. We're going to grab our black ink. And you guys have seen me do this a few times. So the Fun in the Sun, this is the stamp. Let me show you here. So it's a fairly large stamp, but I want it to be horizontal on this piece of basic white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the Fun in just on the edge of my black ink pad. And I have a baby wipe handy in case I get it, which I did just now. I got a baby wipe here. I'm going to take my baby wipe and make sure I get that off of the other letters below that. I think that's good. Yep. So Fun in. So let's stamp that first. Fun in. Yay. All right, and then I'm going to take my baby wipe and make sure I clean that off really good. And then this time I'm going to flip it over upside down and we're going to ink up the sun. Same way as we did Fun in. That looks actually pretty good. All right, so you could huff on it too. Get it re-moistened. And then we're going to stamp this right after the in. Yay! Look at Fun in the Sun. It's perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and put our little pieces together. We're going to grab. So now, like the other one in the Splash and Relax, I feel like the flip-flop pieces go on a certain way. So I'm just kind of testing it out here. Let me get my tweezers. That looks pretty good. Barely squeezing my glue out. These are super little. You could also use the adhesive sheets. I feel like I would spend more time taking the backing off of these little tiny pieces than just putting the glue on myself. But whatever works best for you, right? So I used the Azure Afternoon and the Lemon Lime Twist for my flip-flops. You don't want to lose those circles. And then let's do our sunglasses. You could also use the silver foil sheet, but I feel like these glasses look really good with the black lenses. And then there is a certain way, I feel like, that these lenses go on. You got more of a straight edge here, and then they come out like the ends here on the lenses or on the frame. So we're just going to put the lenses on like this. So cute, so fancy. And then we're going to pop these all up on dimensionals. there. All right, and then for my flowers, this is what we're gonna do for my flowers. We're gonna add a dimensional to the back side of my flower. And then this side is the sticky part. So then when I put my green flower here, it's just gonna sit right on that dimensional. So you can see that it fits right inside of there. So very easy. And then you have the flowers already popped up. So let's do that one on this one. Grab another dimensional. Just put it right in the center of that flower. And then take our lemon lime twist piece. That's it. Super easy. All right, now let's go ahead and put our pieces on our circle here. And I'm going to put my glasses in the top left corner over here. And then we're going to glue my left flip-flop on with the liquid glue. Right about there. And then take the right one and pop that one up on the dimensional. We're going to put this right over here. And then let's take our Fun in the Sun. Let me get my scissors. And we're just going to pennant the end. I usually cut this up the center and then I bring in the ends. And then let's cut this one down. I'll tell you what I cut this little scrap at. I was using the Stylish Shapes, but I feel like the Stylish Shapes isn't quite big enough for this greeting here on the front. So this measures about 3/4 by 3.5. So, but it's very cute, right? So you can get more mileage with your stamps when you want to do that omitting technique. And we're going to pop this up on dimensionals as well. And then we're going to add our flowers. I want it to be sitting right above this lemon lime twist and then onto the circle a little bit. And then let's take our flowers. This is our little pop of the daffodil. Just put that right on each of the corners of the lemon lime twist. So cute. And then we're going to add some sparkly sequins. So I'm going to be using the Sunset Sparkle Sequins. You'd think I would know what these are, but these are so pretty. These are my favorite. I love them. So we're going to use the light blue color. I'm just going to randomly put, I don't know, a handful of these sequins all over my little front of my card. That looks so cute. So a little splashy, like with the sequins, makes it look like water. Fun in the sun, right? All right, and then we're gonna add our piece of basic white on the inside. You could also add some more of the die cuts if you wanted to put like the camera or even more glasses on the inside or another pair of flip-flops. That would be really cute. This is gonna go right here. So cute. All right, so I cannot wait for you to make this card. Share it on my Show It Off Saturday over on my Facebook business page. I can't wait to see what you guys make with the sketch. So cute. So here's the first one. Same, but different. And then here's your sketch for this week. Have fun with it. Remember to turn it. Of course, you could turn this banner here. So I'm just saying, when you look at the sketch, it's always nice to turn. That's kind of cute too, like that. Put the Fun in the Sun at the top. Very cute. So have fun with this week's card sketch. Make it on Monday with Dawn, right? So make your card, send it out tomorrow. I can't wait to see it. All right, so that's it. This is this week's card sketch. And I will see you on Wednesday in the Glitter Pit. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me here, dawn@theglitterpit.com. stampin'up.com. You can always leave comments down below. I read every comment. And then also, I will see you here on Friday for Friday Fun Fold. Remember, Monday, Wednesday, Friday are my video days. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.